guys, today we will be making a super cute and adorable Christmas hair bow. What you will need, the mini Bodabra. I also have this really pretty striped ribbon that I actually got from a company called Le Ribbon. It is 5/8 inches in width, and I have two pieces, each piece 9 inches long. And then I have the thicker 1.5 inch width ribbon, two pieces, 16 inches long. And I have red, white, and green 5/8 inches in width, and each of these pieces are 5 inches long. And I just have two of each, 2 red, 2 white, and 2 green. Two pieces of my 3/8 width ribbon, 4 inches long. A hair clip, bow wire, scissors, and a hot glue gun. Alright, let's get started. So first thing we're going to do, take our bow wire, fold it in half. Then I'm going to take my wider piece, and I'm going to scrunch the end with the wrong side facing up. So fold in half, bring the front and the back up, and place it down. Make a loop, and do the same thing with the other side. Place it down, estimate your center, and place that down as well. And scrunch. And you can use, with the mini Bodabra, you can use the measurements to make sure your loops are similar. And do the exact same thing with the second piece. And I actually could have made this one on the large Bodabra because it is getting pretty thick already. Now I'm going to place my spikes, and I've ribbon cut the ends. To do that, I just fold it in half, open ends at the bottom, fold at the top, and cut at a diagonal. Again, fold in half, open ends at the bottom, fold at the top, and cut at a diagonal, just like that. Alright, now I'm going to place my spikes in the center, scrunch, and place it down. We'll go ahead and get all the spikes in place. Just have my wand in place, and I'm just adjusting. In our last striped pieces, we are going to place them down with the same method we placed the larger ones. Now you could definitely stop here because this will make a really cute bow by itself, but we're going to place this and then we will be done. Just like adjusting everything. On final scrunch, take our bow wire, 2 open ends inside of the loop, hold it in place, and give it a nice tug. And we are going to tie it a couple of times. If I were tying this to something, I would leave the bow wire in place. Since we are not, I'm going to just cut away the excess. Just have to add our center. It's going to take the 4-inch long piece and tie it in a knot. And we're just going to hot glue it right there. It looks so cute and fun, perfect for Christmas. Last step is to add our hair clip. Our hair clip is complete. Now we are just going to place hot glue on the back and attach it to the back of our bow. So just add hot glue and place it on the back of our bow. And press it down really good, just like that. Cute, simple, easy to do, looks so fun and adorable. Perfect for any child or any pet. Modify the color, the style, the size, whatever you'd like. This bow is 5 inches.